So it's actually my first time having this one, and it's interesting because it's just chicken. Big breasts of chicken. And my water's boiling, which I didn't notice it only took a cup and a half versus 2 cups, so I gotta dump some out. No problem. So, pour out a half a cup. Cool. Alright, I think it's been enough time. So it says to take the chicken out. Except the chicken is falling apart. Like, literally falling apart. Okay. There's the water in there. Just instant mashed potatoes, but it mixed up just fine. Last drop. All right. Let's give it a try. That chicken is surprisingly tender. It needs something though. Some Texas Pete hot sauce. Give a little zip. There you go. There's some mashed potatoes. I mean, the mashed potatoes are just your instant mashed potatoes. You can buy them in most stores, but it tastes pretty good. Have a big bite, but yeah, chicken is surprisingly good. I would get this one again. It was a little hard to get down to the match. You kind of have to dig down. I'll have to say, not bad at all. Watching it down with my root beer. Well, I have to say I wasn't really planning on doing a whole video on this, but actually it tasted pretty good. I think what really would have set it off though, if you threw in some cheese and some bacon, and some Texas Pete hot sauce. Pretty good meal, so we'll get again. Rather enjoyed this one. I was a little taken back by the chicken breast that was in there, but you know, it turned out to be pretty good. I mean, you could almost just fork. Well, it was fork tender. You could just pull it apart with a fork. So, good stuff. So, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Well, I have to say, I wasn't planning on